Hi, I'm Frederick, the founder of Info Legal Services and the author of this book, After Conviction, What You Can Do Before a Lawyer is Appointed. If you remember, we spoke in an earlier video about the Shinn versus Ramirez and Jones cases. Those cases evolved around two Arizona death row prisoners who had sought relief in the federal courts. A state prison may seek habeas relief in the federal court when their claim centers around a violation of the United States Constitution or clearly established federal law. A federal district court who gets their habeas petition more or less determines if some way the state procedural conduct violated clearly established federal law. Justice Thomas, who wrote the opinion, pointed out some very interesting things. One, that a lawyer is not constitutionally, the appointment of counsel is not constitutional in a post-conviction proceeding. Two, that the federal court assumes or relies on the state court record. They more or less presume the record to be correct. And third, most importantly, is that any errors or any failures that had happened during the post-conviction representation is attributed to the prisoner. In other words, if any mistakes was made by your lawyer post-convictionally, it's your fault or your loved one's fault who's in prison. That should be more of an incentive for you to order a copy of this book to help your loved one help themselves. If they're going to be held responsible for whatever goes into their petition, they should at least have a fighting chance or the knowledge to help them, to guide them along into what they're supposed to do. Because we believe that an organized and more informed client can be more of a benefit to their lawyer than a distraction. And this book was written with the intent on helping the wrongly convicted help themselves, and in the process, becoming more informed and better prepared to help the lawyer help them. So if you think this book could be a benefit of someone who you love that's in prison, order them a copy today. And order one for yourself too. For short of God's intervention, knowledge is our best defense against injustice.